can help you out. I 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 can help you out.
Good morning everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I thought I would film my what I eat in a day to kind of just like get back on track and to lose fat and everything, because in my last video when I was asking for some video requests, a lot of people were saying like weight loss tips or fat loss tips or what I eat in a day and all that kind of stuff, which is awesome because they're like my favorite videos to film. And I'm just feeling so motivated at the moment to get fit and healthy and just kind of like get my health to a really good point. So I'm very excited for today's video. As you would have seen this morning, I had my green smoothie. It's kind of like my go-to smoothie at the moment. I've literally been having it every single morning and I love it because it fills me up so much. Like it's literally like 12 at the moment and I had it about 10 and I'm still really full. Also, it just tastes bloody delicious. So that was breakfast this morning. I also actually made a healthy treat slash snack that's going to be in my next video, and I kind of just snacked on some of the dates and everything that were in the mixture. So I had a couple of dates as well, and that's all I've had today so far. But now I'm just about to head into the gym. I honestly don't really know what workout I'm going to do. I'm thinking like an arm and abs based workout, but I'm really just going to see how I feel when I walk in there. I might do a little bit of a warm up in like the functional area and then just kind of see how the workout goes. And honestly, when I have days like this where I don't really have a plan of what I want to do, my workouts are always like the best ever because I just kind of make it up as I go and like have fun with it. I'm in a really good mood again, and I'm really procrastinating going to the gym now. So let's go in. I will try and film as much of my workouts as I can depending on how busy it is. Also, I'm wearing my Riderwear, my new Riderwear thing that I showed you in my last video. Okay, I'm really procrastinating. Let's go.
Made of glass, it seems you're shattering a part of me, and I can take it. My heart is so hollow, the blood has an echo inside of my veins. My heart is so hollow, your voice is an arrow, making the pain. My heart is so hollow, hollow, hollow. My heart is so hollow, hollow, hollow.
Workout's done. That was actually harder than I thought it was going to be. It wasn't like crazy hard, but just compared to how I remember it being like before I left, I was definitely a lot fitter. That is completely all good. I'm actually really excited to get back to a point I just feel really, really strong and fit again. Usually this room is shut off, it's just for classes, but today it was open, so I thought I would make the most of it, come in here and film part of my workout. But yeah, I feel really, really good. I think it was about an hour in total, so I feel really, really good. Definitely got my sweat up, which is weird, especially even when I was doing the weights. Like, I was like feeling drops of sweat rolling down my stomach, which I just love the feeling of. And oh my god, I'm so tired at the moment. I swear I used to be so flexible when I danced. Now I'm just like I'm just so inflexible. Also my hamstrings are so sore from a workout I did a few days ago. I'm not even sure if I'm still gonna be able to do the splits, to be honest. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god, nope. Anyway, I feel good that I stretch now. I never stretch after workouts, so I'm trying to make it a habit. Now I'm going to head off and head to Bunnings and try and find a lamp for my room, which I'm really, really excited about. Okay, I just went and looked in Officeworks because I'm kind of just obsessed with interior design at the moment. Not even just interior design, but just like kind of decorating things, and I wanted to go check out a label maker. But I'm already planning on getting a lamp today. Hopefully if I can find a lamp that I really like. So I think I'll just space them out a little bit, but I just really want a label maker for like jars, and I want to make my pantry really aesthetic. So like you open it up and there's all these jars with like labels. Oh, I just love it. So yeah, anyway, now I'm going to head off to Bunnings. It's literally right across the road from my gym, which is really good. And then try and find a cute lamp for my room. Okay, I've made it to Bunnings. Kind of overwhelming with all of the options, but I want like a big one to like go next to my bed. I really like this one actually, rose gold. I think it's a really tall one, yeah, there. But the black's also nice. I'm literally the most indecisive person you'll ever meet, so I think I might think about it, look online and see if I can find any others that I like, but definitely, those are definitely both options. Okay, apologies for the quality change, but my camera has just run out of batteries. So I've just swapped to my phone because I thought I would give you a little bit of a haul of everything that I bought at the health food store. Also, it's safe to say that I should not be allowed in health food stores. Like, I just love them so much. I managed to not buy too much. I was pretty proud of myself, and I actually just bought this pumpkin seed bread, which I've been wanting to get kind of like a good bread for a while that I can toast and put avocado on, which, by the way, I found avocados in there for $7.95 each. Like, I'm sorry, but I don't know who is willing to pay $7.95 for one avocado. Also, this pimple's just decided to pop up, which is really good. And then I also just saw this, it's brown rice pad thai noodles, and I just saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, I could really go for some pad thai. And I was looking at like 10 other things, but I was like, no, Sophie, don't. I feel like a lot of people could blow like $1,000 easy on like clothes shopping and everything, which, don't get me wrong, I could do. But more easily, I could definitely do that in a health food store. Now I'm going to head on home. Surprisingly, I'm only like just getting a tiny bit hungry now since I had the breakfast and then just like a few dates earlier on. So I'm gonna head home now. I think I'm actually going to make some like avocado toast, although I don't know if we've got any avocados. So yes, anyway, I'm gonna head home and make some food because I'm getting hungry. Much better. Cut up my slice that I made earlier. Have you even been in a vlog since?
Try your slice.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you an ugly piece though. I'll give you this piece.
Ugly piece for an ugly boy?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah, it's been in the freezer. Give it a go.
It's like banana.
Yeah, there's banana in it. Make sure you get like the...
You know I'm allergic to banana.
Get the base and like you have to get everything in.
I hurt my teeth.
Aw, you gonna be alright?
Mmm.
You like it? Really? Is this serious?
Like, really good. Like, I like a banana choc smoothie.
Yeah.
Right. Genuinely.
Out of 10, what do you rate it?
For healthy slice, 10.
For a healthy slice, yeah? Oh, I'm so glad.
Like, there's banana. What's the sweetener? Is it like maple?
No, it's dates.
Date syrup?
Yeah.
Or just dates?
Fresh dates and a bit of date syrup. There's a bit of coconut sugar in there as well.
Yeah, that was my next guess.
You want to try some as well?
Try this slice, it's so good.
Okay, well you can...
Flashbacks to what happened last time I had one of your slices.
Yours is so... There you go.
It's actually delicious.
Try it, boy. That's nice.
What do you think?
Mm.
You're not as enthusiastic. What do you give it out of 10?
I don't know, I personally really enjoy it.
Yeah,
10.
a 10.
One's the best, right?
Okay, so for an afternoon snack, I'm just going to have a little slice. The recipe for this one is probably going to be in my next video, so once that's up, I will link it up here and in the description. But it is so good, and once it melts a little bit, it goes all like moussey. It's amazing. So I'm just gonna have this as a little snack as well. Okay, we have come out to the shops. We actually just went to Flight Centre and kind of like we're talking to the lady about getting some flight deals for a holiday we're going on next month, which is exciting. And now we are just about to...
One of them was talking.
We are just about to head to Woolies.
Welcome back to the vlogs, everybody.
Oh my god. We are going to head to Woolies and get some ingredients for dinner because we just want to have, oh my god, I'm just gonna stop.
We're gonna go check out some sushi.
Oh yeah, true. Alright, so this is going to be my dinner. I just put it into my little bowl. Veggie pasta sauce has got carrot and zucchini in it, and then I've got some avocado and also some nutritional yeast, and I'm very excited to eat this because I'm very hungry. So we are going to...
We're gonna go watch a movie?
Yeah, Kingsman. And so we're gonna enjoy our dinner and watch a movie.
Oh yeah, it's recording. Is that just right?
Yeah, that's recording.
Just seems very bright in here.
Oh yeah, you can... Here, I'll fix it better.
Better. Snickers really satisfies. Sophie is
Kingsman.
dying.
I'm not dying.
I don't know. Okay. Alrighty guys, Soph's jet lagged as hell.
I'm just tired.
I don't know what her problem is. It's like 8 o'clock. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed that video. Hit the thumbs up button down below. Hit that bell icon if you want to see more of me as well. So I'm expecting a lot of bell icons.
Like when people turn it on, you can't tell.
That's not the point. The point is that I'm expecting a lot. Doesn't matter if I can tell or not, I know there's going to be hits. Make sure you use code SophieM10 for 10% off right away. You saw her wearing the lovely blue top today. Was that in this vlog?
Yeah.
That one there, yeah.
I still need to have a shower. I will have a shower. I still
Ew. That's disgusting. Lovely colour. That's my favourite top.
Yeah.
Favourite gym top. So make sure, yeah, you use the code. I'll put it right here. Right here.
You put it like over there.
Ding! You better put it on my hand.
After my pasta, I had, don't zoom it up on my face, you always do this.
What? What are you going to say?
I also had another one of my slices, another piece of my chocolate slice.
Really good. Really recommend the slice.
It was really good.
Yeah.
So, that's my finish what I eat in a day. Anyway, I really hope you've enjoyed my what I
ate in a day. What I
Today
eat
is
in
what
a
I ate
day.
in a day. Well, the lunch was a bit off. Like usually I have something a bit bigger for lunch, but it was kind of just like a weird lunch. But it was really good. I really recommend that bread. And yeah, that's all. Good night.
My arm's getting sore. Just while she's asleep, just between us, leave a comment down below who's your favourite meal, Sophie. And if you pick me, I will go and like all your comments.
I like all the comments.
I will like them though. Me.
Will you comment back to all of them?
I will comment back to everyone that says something about me in a comment in the next video.
In this video?
Yeah. I meant because this isn't up yet. Damn it. In the next video. Like this one that... Okay, retake. In this video, I'll reply to all the comments about myself. If you leave a comment down there, I'll go in, I'll like it, reply.
That's cute.
Because we all know who's the better. Who's the better. And leave it.
Who's the better?
Who's the better person, or whatever. What do you usually say? I really hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.
Bye.